This is a hypothesis test about mu, and we are using the traditional method. The average cost of owning and operating a car is $8,121 for every 15,000 miles that you drive it. A random survey of 40 hybrid car owners revealed that their average cost was $8,350, with a population standard deviation of $750. Is there sufficient evidence to conclude that the hybrid owner's costs are greater than $8,121? We will use an alpha of 0.01. First of all, when you look at this, notice that there is a population standard deviation given, and so we will be using the Z table rather than the T table. And then the alpha that we're going to use is 0,1. This is the significance level, or the level of significance. And also notice that they want to know if the hybrid car owners are greater than the other car owners. So that's going to help us set up our hypothesis down here. So as we start to set up our hypothesis, the equal sign always goes in the null hypothesis. But we're going to put a greater than symbol here because we're testing whether the hybrid is greater than that. So this is kind of the claim going on, that hybrid owners have to spend more than other car owners. This sets up a right-tailed test. When you see the greater than symbol here, then we know that there is only one critical value and one critical region, and it's on the right side. So critical value go right here, critical region going this direction. The alpha then, the significance level, goes all that direction. When you use your Z table then to get this value, what you'll have to do is look up 0.99 going to the left and look for that area, and that should get you fairly close to 0.233, and that will be your critical value. So over here, 233 is your critical value. Then we're going to calculate our test value. We'll be using this formula. So the sample mean that they got from their hybrid car owners was 350, and the hypothesized mean was 8,121. The denominator has the standard deviation, which was 750, over the square root of the sample size, and the sample size was 40, so the denominator will be 750 over the square root of 40. Putting that in our calculator, our test value is 193. That 1.93 is going to be somewhere over here in the non-critical region because it doesn't exceed 2.33. It can't be over here. And because it's in a non-critical region, then for step 4, we do not reject the null hypothesis. And then let's look back at the null hypothesis. We are not able to reject this. We can't say this null is wrong, so there's no way we're supporting this claim. You'd have to be able to reject this null to get to this alternative to support this claim, and we cannot reject this null. And so in the last step, you say, there is not enough evidence to support the claim that hybrid car owners spend more than $8,121 on operating costs.